6 Photoshop essentials all new designers should know about. Clipping masks. Create a new layer, hold Option key on Mac and click to create a clipping mask. Change the blend mode to color and grab a soft brush. Now we can see when we paint that it only affects the subject below. If the layer was unclipped, it would affect the whole canvas. Layer masks. With your image open in Photoshop, click to create a layer mask and a white thumbnail will appear on the right. Grab a brush, soft brush, and select all black. Now if we paint away any of the subject and we make a mistake, it's non-destructive. We just grab all white and we can repaint that back in. That's the benefit of layer masks. Gradient maps. To apply a gradient map, go to New Adjustment Layer and select Gradient Maps. Here we want to select 2 contrasting colours, one for the dark area of the image and one for the light area of the image. This will create an initial duotone effect. For a subtle finish, lower the opacity to around 50%. The pen tool. For a more precise cutout of your subject, grab the pen tool and click to create small anchors around the subject. For curved corners, click, hold and drag in the opposite direction. Hold Alt on Mac and click to drag the anchor back to the center and repeat the process. Once you've gone completely around your subject, right click and select Make Selection. Once you see the marching ants, create a layer mask. Your subject will be cut out. Apply your effects in the background. Cut out complex hair. Cutting out hair should never be a problem. With the pen tool selected, loosely click and create anchor points around your subject's hair. Once complete, right click and select Make Selection. When you see the marching ants, create a layer mask, right click in the layer mask and select Select and Mask. Using the Refine Edge brush tool, start to paint around the areas that you want to remove. Once complete, select OK, create a new layer and add your background colour. To refine the edges of the hair, create a new layer and create a clipping mask. Using the eyedropper tool, select a highlighted point of the hair, change the blend mode to screen and start to paint around the edges of the hair for a refined edge. This will create a more natural finish. Change the colour to suit your needs. The Quick Selection tool. The Quick Selection tool can be used in 2 ways. With the tool selected, we can paint inside our subject to determine which areas to cut out. The faster way, deselect, with the tool selected, select Select Subject. And Photoshop uses AI capabilities to determine what we need to cut out. And there you have it, they're my 6 Photoshop essentials for all new designers. Follow for more videos like this.